I went to the gym for 4 months and I only lost 1 kg. And this one made me realize that something was not adding up. I was 96 and I was doing everything everyone says: gym, effort, discipline. But after 4 months, I had only lost 1 kg. And at first, I thought, wow, I think I am not trying hard enough. If you are there and this is your question, this is how you're asking yourself, this is what you're telling yourself. I was there too. I was telling myself this must change. I was desperately in need of a change, and that is why I went more. I pushed more because I thought maybe I was not trying hard enough. So that meant more workout, more sweat, more time. But let me tell you, nothing changed. And that is when it hit me. I wasn't actually fixing the problem. I was just attacking from the outside. If this is your very first time to see me on your feed, my name is Winnie James. I'm a health coach. I help overweight people to drop a size, reclaim their confidence back, transform their body and mindset without restriction. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, and by the way, it is free, but it helps the YouTube to push this video and helps someone else who needs to hear this. And by the way, I don't get to see who likes that. Carol likes this video, like on Facebook. No, it is just you and the video that knows I liked this video. So go ahead and subscribe and also like this video. It will be of help in this channel and also help someone who is out there that needs to hear this. So what was my problem? Let me tell you, your body is royal. Your body does not only respond to just exercise, it responds to what you feed it, and it is royal. What you get, what you give it, it is what you get, it is what you experience. And that one was a wake-up call for me. And I paused and I asked myself, Winnie, for 4 months, 6 days in a week, 1 kg, it is not making sense. And I asked myself, could it be that I am doing everything right, but in a wrong system? And this was my wake up, because what you give your body, it is what you get, it is what you experience. And that question was a game changer. And before you say that these are the girls that will go to the gym and they are just slaying with makeup and long nails and whatever, they don't exercise, and then they come to say that exercise is not working, gym is not working, let me tell you, let me give you a breakdown of how my schedule looked like, or how my gym time was, or how my schedule looked like for the gym, and what was in my mind when I was doing this. And you know, when you're going for lessons, you don't just stand. It is not like when you're doing a workout alone. When you go for a session, for a class that you're doing with other people, you do it as the way they are doing it. And before I break my 6 days workout, let me tell you, this video, it is sponsored by Diaspora Insurance. And if you're in diaspora, this product, it is tailored for Africans living in diaspora. So if you're out there and you say your family comes first, your wanaume ni kujipanga, I can die for my family, go ahead to www.diasporainsurance.com and get your quote today to secure the peace of mind of your loved one. Remember, this product, it is only for people, Africans who are living in diaspora, but it has the flexibility for you to also take care of your loved one back home. And this is how my 6-day schedule looked like. So I used to do 2 days, that is Tuesday and Thursday. I used to do heat sessions, that is a whole 45 minutes. And then after that, I would do 2 days of aqua aerobic. Those ones who don't know what is aqua aerobics, it is you do aerobics in the water. That was 1 hour on Monday and on Wednesday. And then I would do a spin a spin class on Friday. Okay, I do a spin class on Friday because I was desperately in need of changing my life. And let me tell you, they always say that a girl who take care of their body, they never miss a leg day. And let me tell you, for those 4 months, I never missed leg day because he says so. So I have to do it. I am a girl. But my friend, that one did not change my weight loss, did not change my life, did not. I was feeling good. I was doing this. And let me tell you, I was not pushing just to go. Like today, if I walk to the gym, I would walk to the gym because my mental health. I would walk to the gym so that I am moving my body. But then I was desperately in need of losing weight, not just feeling cute, not just going to the gym for mental health. I was going to lose weight. And this weight was not going anywhere. And that is when I realized I was doing everything right, but in the wrong system. And what I discovered next has nothing to do with gym, but everything to do with food. And that is what I will share with you in the next video so that you may know what you're eating. I will share with you in the next video because it could be what you're eating right now, your body is rejecting, and that is why you're still stuck. So until next time, subscribe to this channel if you want a sustainable weight loss and a healthy body, and also share this video to someone who needs to hear this, and I will see you on the next one. Until next time, balance, enjoy, and thrive. Bye.